What is up, guys? So today I have here the MagTime magnetic charging cables. So let's check these out and let's get started. So thank you to MagTime for sponsoring this video and sending me out these chargers for me to check out. So I'm going to check this one out first, the bigger package. So I'm going to grab a semiconductor tool just to open this up. So first off, I just want to say how cheap these are. Like, they're only $19 for what looks like on their website a really nice product. Honestly, I'm destroying this box, but yeah, it looks like a really nice product and it's only $19. This one might have been 20, but they're just like super cheap. So let's see. And okay, so now that we have the tape done, I honestly could have just peeled it off myself, but let's go ahead and open the box. And these chargers, if you couldn't tell already, they connect to each other. Look how high quality that is. And they don't, once they're stretched out, I mean, besides a little bit of, there we go, bending, but they don't automatically, oh my goodness, how do I want to do this? Like, when you're charging your phone, they don't automatically want to go together, but once you want to store them, let's see how you do this. Let's see. Once I figure out how to, okay, there we go. So it's really easy. And there, they are tied together by magnets, and you can just store them. So if I tried to do that with a regular just US Type-C to Type-C charger, they just fall apart and you can't pick it up like you can with this one. So that is super nice. And let's go ahead and unbox the other one. Do a little bit of ASMR. So first, I just want to say how good quality of chargers these are. So this one, I don't know how, but this one is a 240 watt charging cable. So if you have a brick that will support that much speed, like, it'll charge it perfectly and really fast. And it seems like with that design, it feels like a fabric design, so it's really nice and premium. And like I said, it's only like $19-$20. I'll leave like the actual price like on screen, and you know, I'll also leave a link to this in the description. So this one is the same. It says on the box that it is a 60 watt to 240 watt charger. So these are both really fast. And honestly, if you want something that just looks really cool and you can manage your cables really well without having them, you know, going everywhere, definitely pick these up. Like, these are actually really cool. And even though they did sponsor me by sending these out, like, honestly, this is my own opinion. Like, I really think that these are genuinely really cool, and you can like change the shape. That's actually really cool. But yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. I will leave a link down in the description to where you can pick these up for yourself. And yes, thank you so much for watching, and thank you to MagTime for sponsoring this video. And I want to give you guys a thumbs up for these products. They're actually super nice and really high quality too, for a really nice budget price. So like I said, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, checking out some of my other videos, and there'll be a link to in the description to where you can pick these things up. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next video, and I'll see you then.